Hello everyone, welcome back. This is Tina. In this video, I'm going to show you how to responding to events. Like when user click something, I want to respond to it. Okay. React lets you add event handler to our JSX. Event handler are your own functions that will be triggered in response to interactions like a click, hovering, focusing, form inputs, and so on. So for every event handler, you have to create your own function. Okay. Register through on-event property. Be careful. Okay, it's because in JavaScript, it's on-event is all lowercase. Here is a camel case. Camel case used here. React customs on event, not using the original DOM event. Events in React are handled through event delegation, delegated to the outmost element of the component. You can also get the DOM object through event.target to get a DOM, okay, if you want to do something. And for this one I'm talking about, suppose I have a div. Div have a child called a paragraph, and if we click on the parent but only have an event attached on the div event gonna be triggered if we click on the paragraph, okay, outmost. So what I'm going to do is in the app, I'm going to have Unclick Me, the button, okay? So how to attach event? If it's a click event, you use Unclick and make sure the C is camel, okay, capital case, camel case, okay? And you have to give your own function. So you define a function here and make sure here is a function reference, okay? Here is a function reference, not a function call. If you function call, it's gonna have error, okay? Now let's take a look at. I already have here. Then let me remove this one. So here I'm going to have a button. button. Click me. Okay, and I'm going to have a unclick. Unclick here expect to be a function, so you define function. Usually inside the function component, when we define function, no matter how you define, you can see here, I define function, which is nested function, right? Click handler 1. Okay, I just using 1. Okay, my bad. Console.log. Being clicked. Okay. So here, make sure is what? Make sure here is a reference to the function, not a function call. So now let's go to the page. Console, no errors. See here, no errors. Then click me and being clicked. Okay. This is a function, okay? It's your own function. Doesn't matter which way. You can use arrow function like a click. Handler 2, okay? You can use arrow function, doesn't matter, okay? So here, say, I just copy paste, okay? Click 2, and I will click handler. This is 2, okay? Let me do one by one. Control C. Click 1, then I will have a button. Click 2. Okay, click 2. Okay, let me. No, this one don't have space. My bad. Okay, this one click 1. Hey, did I make it correct? Copy. Click handler 2. Okay, handler 2. Okay, so click this one is 1, and then refresh. Okay, no errors. Click 1. Okay, click 2. All of them works, okay? This is arrow function. Oh, you want to use a function expression? Also fine. Click handler 3 equals function. Doesn't matter, okay, which way you like. Console. Let me just copy paste, okay? Copy and paste here, which is the 3. And then I'm going to copy this one and like this way. Click 3. Click 3. okay, rather than here. Click 3 also works. Okay, you can also do like this way. Button, click me 4, and this one also use the quality often, which is directly, you don't need to define. Okay, you just directly like this one, like this way, console.log being clicked 4, like this way, which is directly give a function here also. But don't make sure don't add a semicolon. Okay, if you add a semicolon, gonna have error, because here is a curly brace will refer to a expression. If you add a semicolon, gonna become an statement. Okay, so clip 4 also works. This one also use a lot. Either way you like. I use this one or this one the most. Okay, and make sure don't do what? Make sure don't add parentheses, because if you add parentheses, what's going to happen? Suppose we give example, click handler 1. Okay, because Unclick expect to be a function reference, and if you add click this one, it's going to execute this part, and after finish execution, what's being returned of this function? This function by default return undefined, and it's going to be look like your undefined is being assigned here. Eventually, after execute this one, okay, console has been clicked, and the undefined is attached on the Unclick. That's why I want to work. Okay, see here. Type of void is not assigned to this one, undefined. Okay, because JavaScript is return is undefined, but we are using TypeScript. TypeScript, if you don't have anything returned, it's gonna be void. Okay, that's why. But you can do like this way. This one won't work, but you can do like this way. But usually we don't do it. Okay. But you can do like this. So this one, add a parenthesis. Okay, because Unclick expect to be a function, right? Then I have this parenthesis. This parenthesis after this click handler 1 is going to make a what? It's going to execute this function. So you're going to being clicked immediately, and this part gonna become the function reference, which is attached on click. See, let's take a look at. Refresh. You will see immediately I'm being clicked. But in order to see this asterisk, okay, you have to click. It's a click. And it depends what code you wrote in click handler, okay. Sometimes in this case, when I add a parenthesis, it won't have error because you return a function here. But if I don't have anything returned like this way, you're gonna have errors. Because here gonna become the thing being returned by this one is gonna be void. Void, you cannot be attached on click. Okay, so it's a choice. Different ways are listed here. Now let's go to another one. Okay, click handler is a function that matter using function declaration, error function, or expression. Okay, register click handler as a function reference, not calling the function. Suppose I want to get an event object. Yes, you can get it. By default, you can have by default the React gonna do populate this event object for us. Okay. And when we use click, it's a mouse event. This is a TypeScript ask you to, because I'm on button, so here is HTML button. Okay. Now let me show you how to do this one. I'm going to make a copy of this one. Okay. Control C, Control V. First, okay. Then I'm going to make a change. The one I like the most is the error function. So I'm going to use keep the error function, or others you do by yourself. Okay. I use the error function the most. Okay. So if we want to get the event object, yes, you can get it. Then you can use E. Because we are using TypeScript, you have to give a type. The type is what? We are doing click event. It doesn't have a click event. It only have a mouse event. Okay, mouse event. And mouse event first make sure you import it, okay? Not this one, it should be in React one, mouse event. And make sure here is HTML button element. Because we click on what? We click on the button. Suppose here I have a div. I'm using paragraph, okay? Paragraph, this is a P, okay, paragraph. And suppose here I add another Unclick event, okay? And here, if you want to do, I'm going to use nothing else. Here, this E is what? This E is also a mouse event, okay? Mouse event, but what? But it is a HTML paragraph element. Okay, like this way, then you do something. Console.log, I just put an E here, okay? Put an E. And here I can console.log E. Okay. My bad. Y2 E. This name is a function declaration name, parameter name. You can use EVT, ABC, any just a valid JavaScript identifier. Okay, doesn't necessarily to be E. You can give anything like I will give event, and here use event. Okay, and from event you can get a target. See here, I will just do a target. Here I just using E. Okay, this is mouse event on HTML paragraph. Okay, this one is mouse event on HTML element. So here, let's refresh, no errors, click me. You will see I'm being clicked and it's a button. And this one, click, you will see. This is because I directly put an E, right? This E, if you directly give E, it's going to be syntactic base event, which is for all the event, like the top level parent of events, okay? And you can see here have lots of things. And the one we just get from this one, yes, event.target, you should see a target, see here, it's a paragraph, okay? So this, if you want to get an event, if usually we get an event is we want to get a target to do something, okay? Based on the scenario you need. Next one. And if you want to pass custom parameters, yes, you can do it, okay? How to pass it? Like do like this way. Suppose here I want to get a parameters, okay? Let's see here. Let me make another one, okay? And just Control V, and here I use, I should use rename, okay? Directly use rename, -2. And if I want to get, let me remove this one. Control A, RFC. This is a shortcut. This is a shortcut RFC. I forgot which plugin this should have a plugin installed. I think it's this one, ES7 plus this one. And after installs, you have a shortcuts to generate a snippet of the code. The one is React functional component. It will generate a React functional component for me, okay? And I don't need this part. And then how to pass variables. Let's see, custom parameters. Okay, how to do it? Button, and here click me. Suppose this function for this handler, const click handler. Okay, handler. I expect you give me a name, and the value is string. Okay. And I'm going to do is to do what? Console.log greeting hello from. How about I just do hello from? Hello from name. Okay. Then here button, I'm going to unclick. Okay. Oh, then how can I pass a value here? Oh, you say okay, let's do like this way. When I make a call to the function, click handler, okay? Then I can pass from what? Hello from Tina. If I do like this way, as we mentioned earlier, this is a function call. And with function call, we are using TypeScript. This one will return what? This one will return void. You got me? And when you return a void, unclick, they to expect either a function or either is undefined. So you have errors. Then how to do it? Then I do like this way. But when I do like this way, who's going to pass value to click handler? it expect to have what? To have a name, right? Who's going to React don't know how to pass the value to this name variable. React, what should the React pass? Pass Tina, pass John? Don't know. So we have to use two ways to do. Either do like this way. Oh, because when I call it, I can pass a value to this parameter. But you want to have function, right? I give you function. So this is the first way. Click me, you will see hello from Tina. Okay, like this. There's another way you can do. I'll use another, but that one doesn't use quite often. We need to have a closure. Const, but I already show you before handler in previous demo. I have a name, string, okay, still return a void. Okay, and here the syntax I want is what? Unclick. And here I want to have a click handler 2, which here I want to have Miss XING. Okay, my channel name. I want to call like this way. Yes, you can do. How to? But here unclick, and you have to give a function, right? You want to have function. I give you a function. You want a function, okay? I give you a function. No problem. Yeah, why do you have error? Oh, not a void anymore. It's a function, okay? I don't want to give a type. It's a function, okay? See here, you want to use this syntax, it's fine. Just make sure it return a function, because once you make a call, the return the value gonna be assigned to unclick. So this return value now is a function, okay? Then name now is gonna become what? It's gonna become a free variable, okay? So both ways I work. Like a file. Okay, let's try. Let's try refresh. Click me, hello from Tina. Click me too, hello from Miss XING. Okay, so this is two ways. This way used most often compared with this one, because this one takes more code. But if you want to make it shorter, it's also fine, like this way. You know, you can let me take a look at it. Okay, I think they also remove this one. Higher order function. Like you can also remove this one. You got me? To be just one line, like a function. This function. When you make a call, it's gonna return this function. Okay. This one used most often, and people understand this one more than the second one. This is how to pass a parameter. Okay. Next one. Next one. The last one. Suppose I want to pass an event and object and custom parameters together. How would you do? And let's give an example to do it. Okay. Let me make this one to be rename to be just to be 3. Okay. Which is custom params. Okay. And then I will create another file called app tsx. And after you do here, make sure you change, because just now import. Make sure import always import app. Okay, always import RFC. And now you won't have errors. Okay, and now we will have same as here button. Click me. Okay, and here I will attach an unclick. Now for this handler, I have to pass 2 things. The first one is what? The first one is my custom parameter. The second one is event, which have click handler. Click handler will have 2 things. First thing is custom, like a name, is a string. The second one is what? Second one is that event. Event for me, because I'm going to be a mouse event from React. Make sure you import from here. Okay, mouse event. It's an HTML button element. Okay, I want to pass these 2 things. I want to do something. For me, I just have a console.log. Let's do same as before. Hello from name, and I will just console.log e.name e.target. Okay. And now, how can I write a code here? Oh, use click handler. I know how to give name like a Tina, But what is this E? E should be populated by what? React. So what's the value should I give here? Right? I don't have E. E should what again? I give a new syntactic based object or mouse event. No. Okay. The correct way is here. You have E, and you pass this E here. Oh, my bad. When this is a function, okay, and this is a function reference, okay, attached to Unclick. When we click this event, React will help us to make a call to this function. Oh, React says, oh, you need to have what? You need to have this event. So I'm going to populate an object for this event for you. And then it will invoke click handler, right? It's gonna execute. After pass, it's gonna execute this part, right? Execute the click handler, it will have Tina, it's gonna have this event object here. So that is the way. Click your hello and you have target. This is how we do it. Okay. Think about it. Can we implement it with this way? No. With this arrow function, you cannot, because when I call it, well, what should I give E? So the way you have to do is this way. If you want to pass custom parameters and event by yourself, and the order of the parameter doesn't matter. You can put it in the front, you can put it in end, because eventually when you call, you give the type, give the values to the name and the event, right? Let me see. I think that's it for all the videos for the state. For this video. So in this video, we cover the responding to the events with different cases. Get some hands-on experience by yourself. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.